I'm sorry, but I don't want to be an emperor. That's not my business. I don't want to rule or conquer anyone. I should like to help everyone if possible. Jew, Gentile, black man, white. We all want to help one another. Human beings are like that. We all want to live by each other's happiness, not by each other's misery. We do not want hate and despise in one another. This world has room for everyone and the good earth is rich. It can provide to everyone. The way of life can be free and beautiful, but we have lost the way. Greed has poisoned men's soul, has barricaded the world with hate, has ghost-stepped us into misery and bloodshed. We have developed speed, but we have shut ourselves in. Machinery that gives us abundance has left us in want. Our knowledge has made us cynical, our cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much and feel too little. More than machinery, we need humanity. More than cleverness, we need kindness and gentleness. Without these qualities, life would be violent and all will be lost. The aeroplane and radio has brought us closer together, but the very nature of these inventions cries out for the goodness in men, cries out for the universal brother, for the unity of us all. Even now, millions of you can hear me throughout the world. Millions of disappearing men, women, and little children. Victims of systems that make men torture, imprison innocent people. To those who can hear me, I say, do not disappear. The misery that is now upon us is but the passing of the greed. The bitterness of men that fear the way of human progress. The hate of men will die and dictators die, and the power they took from the people will return to the people. As long as men die, liberty will never perish. Soldiers, don't give yourself to the brutes. Men who despise you, enslave you, who regiment you lives, tell you what to do, what to think, what to feel. Who drills you, dietes you, treat you as a cattle, use you as a cannon fodder. Don't give yourself to these unnatural men. Machine men with machine minds and machine hearts. You are not machine, you are not cattle, you are men. You have the love of humanity in your heart, you don't hate. Only the unloved hate, the unloved and unnatural. Soldiers, don't fight for slavery. Fight for liberty. In the 17th chapter of St. Luke, it's written, the kingdom of God is within men, nor one man, nor a group of men, but in all men, in you. You, the people, have the power to create happiness. You, the people, have the power to create machines. You, the people, have the power to make this life free and a wonderful adventure. So in the name of democracy, let us all unite. Let us use that power. Let us fight to make a new world. A decent world that gives men a chance to work. That gives youth a future and old age a security. By the promise of these things, brutes have risen to power. They lie. They do not fulfill that promise, they never will. Dictators free themselves, but they enslave the people. So let us fight to fulfill that promise. Let us fight to free the world. To do away with national barriers, to do away with hate, greed and intolerance. Let us fight for a world of a reason. A world where machine and progress will lead to all men's happiness. Soldiers, so in the name of democracy, let us all unite!